'77 Chevrolet Camaro, no engine trans, automatic. Last registered in Michigan, 2025. So it's currently registered. It's kind of cool. Don't get that bad a shape for being a North Midwest car. Doors are not that pretty. Aftermarket bucket seats, the rear bench seat. Console that's screwed up. Cheapy socket, tilt column. Hold the floor for the shifter. 14-inch tires on it. Decent front end. Disc brakes, of course. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of cool. With this ice cream truck, I guess. Kankakee, Illinois, or dairy truck. This is international according to the stickers. This is really bad shape. Or Lodestar, okay. Sorry, my bad. Not familiar with this brand. This has got to be a 60s. Try to show you what the engine looks like. It looks like a straight 6. It's hard to count. These things open up. They're kind of cool. Can we open up the other side? They don't want to stay open. There's a piece of glass or plexiglass they use for this. Ooh. One master cylinder, one part for both of them, I guess. That'd be a clutch. Maybe you can tell me what that is. That's Chevy orange, but this could be international, I guess, or Lodestar brand. It's got a straight axle. Drums. Can we find any paperwork on the VIN? This is so cool. Hope you get a kick out of it like me. I don't see any VIN tag information. It'd be cool if you kind of cleaned it up and made it a display piece. Here we go.